Welcome to PoshBytes, your weekly bite-sized dose of PowerShell wisdom. This week, we're going to look at writing data from PowerShell to a text file using the add content and out file commandlets. Two commandlets, one destiny, totally different behaviors. Let's start with the PS version table, a majestic variable of versiony things. It tells you what your PowerShell is made of, how old it is, and whether it prefers long walks on the beach. But that's not important right now. What is important is how we can write its output to a file. And here begins the tale of two commandlets. Both of these commandlets create files. One does it with finesse and formatting, the other just kind of dumps it like a toddler with some spaghetti. Observe, out file delivers a neatly formatted table. Add content, on the other hand, has feelings but no structure. It needs strings. It craves strings. So we can spoon feed it a string. Now it stops crying and behaves like a proper commandlet. But there's more to it. Fun fact, outfile suffers from memory loss. Every time you run it, it forgets about the past. That is, unless you bribe it with the -append switch. While add content will append by default. However, you can use the no cobbler switch to prevent it from overriding, because sometimes your files deserve to live on. Now, add content can write to many files at once. It doesn't ask why, it doesn't care, it just marches in and appends each file, which is either efficient or terrifying, depending on how much caffeine you've had. If we take a look here where we have 3 files, we tell it to go to every file in ctemp and write out to it. So now we go ahead and we look at our output here, and we see that each one has been appended. So, the next time you write to a file, remember, out file, neat, precise, formal. Add content is fast, loose, and a little unhinged. Choose your hero or your anti-hero or your mildly confused bystander. For more content like this, please be sure to subscribe. More videos are posted every week.